Hello students, welcome to CBSE Science Series. Today we are going to learn about charge, SI unit of charge and properties of charge. We studied in the glass rod experiment when we rub the two substances, the substances become electrically charged or electrified. It is because of the transfer of charges due to the frictional force on rubbing, and because of the transfer of charges these materials are also showing the attractive repulsive forces, and these attractive repulsive forces are also known as the electrostatic forces, and the attractive forces due to the unlike charges and the repulsive forces due to the like charges. Now what is a charge? Charge is the fundamental attribute of the matter, that is property of the matter due to which it produces and experiences electrical and magnetic effects. Now what is the charge on one electron? The charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the charge on one proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. For electron it is negative, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and for proton it is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is the coulomb. 1 coulomb of charge contains 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Means the charge of 1 coulomb is charge on 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. In CGS unit it is stat coulomb and absolute coulomb. Now what are the properties of charge? Charge is a scalar quantity, means it represents only an excess or deficiency of electrons. When the body gains electrons, it becomes negatively charged. When the body loses electrons, there is a deficiency of electrons, it becomes positively charged. So charge is a scalar quantity. It is simply a number. It is telling excess or deficiency of electrons. And charge is transferable. We already studied in the glass rod experiment. When we rub the glass rod on the silk cloth, electrons transferred from glass rod to the silk cloth. So charge is transferable. And next property is like charges repel and unlike charges attract. And charge produces electric and magnetic field. That is, when the charge is at rest, it produces electric field around it. When the charge is motion, it produces both electric and magnetic field. This we study in the 4th chapter. And charge is always associated with mass, means charge as a mass. The charge of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So mass is transferred during charging the substance. Charge cannot exist without mass, whereas mass can exist without charge. When a body is given positive charge, its mass decreases. Means when body loses electrons, means there is a deficiency of electrons, so that the body becomes positively charged. So its mass decreases. And when body is given negative charge, its mass increases. Because of the excess number of electrons, the mass increases. Charge is conserved. That is, total charge of an isolated system remains constant. Means we cannot create new charge and we cannot destroy the charge. The total charge in nature is constant. That is what a charge is conserved. Charge is quantized. Charge is quantized means the total charge of the system is multiple of the fundamental charge E, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And charge is additive, that is the total charge in an isolated system is equal to the sum of the charge on individual bodies in that system. That is, here there are 4 charges in the system, 2 microcoulomb, minus 3 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb, minus 5 microcoulomb, and the total charge of the system is sum of these 4 charges, that is minus 2 microcoulomb. And charge is invariant, means the charge on a body not depend upon the speed. These are the properties of the charges. And one more property is charges reside on the surface of the material. So these are the properties and electric charge. Thank you.